What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could help you walk pain-free, even at 80? Most people don't realize that mobility doesn't fade in one big moment. It fades in tiny, almost invisible ways. The stiffness you ignore in the morning, the moment your knee clicks when you stand, the slight wobble when you turn too quickly, the hesitation before taking a step. These signs don't shout, they whisper. And because they whisper, many people miss them until walking becomes harder, balance becomes unsteady, and every step starts to feel like a negotiation. But here's the truth that most adults never hear. Your body is not giving up on you. It's waiting for you to reactivate the strength that's still inside you. Your legs, your ankles, your hips, they're not done. They're only asking for 5 minutes of your time. Yes, just 5 minutes, and science proves it. For years, researchers believed that aging naturally weakens walking ability. But newer studies say something far different, something far more empowering. In 2023, experts identified a powerful link they now call the ankle-hip connection. This connection is the hidden engine behind walking speed, balance, stability, and pain-free movement. When this connection weakens after age 60, steps become shorter, legs feel heavier, and the body starts compensating in ways that make everything harder. But here's the part that gives me chills every time I share it. A groundbreaking new study from 2024 confirmed that older adults can restore this connection fully in as little as 3 weeks with the right exercises performed in the right sequence. Not hours of workouts, not expensive equipment, just 5 minutes of targeted movements at home. This isn't guesswork. This is science, and it belongs to you. Before we start the routine, imagine this clearly. Picture yourself walking across your home without stiffness. Picture stepping off a curb without fear. Picture getting up from a chair without pushing on the armrests. Picture walking with confidence, balance, and ease, no matter your age. That vision is not a dream, it's a direction, and the next 5 minutes will take you there. Let's begin with the first move, seated ankle pumps. Most people underestimate their ankles, but if your ankles are weak, your entire walking pattern falls apart. Sitting comfortably in a chair, lift one foot just 2 inches off the ground. Point your toes downward like pressing a gas pedal. Hold, then pull them back toward your shin. Hold again. Feel that gentle tension in your ankle. Feel the muscles waking up. This simple motion activates circulation, reduces stiffness, and gets rid of the tightness that builds up from sitting too long. 15 repetitions, then switch. The beauty of this exercise is not how hard it is, but how consistently it wakes up the muscles that support your entire walking ability. Small movement, massive impact. The second exercise is standing calf raises. Your calves are your powerhouse. They push you forward with every step you take. Weak calves mean slow walking, shuffling, and that heavy feeling in your legs. So stand behind a sturdy chair, rise onto your toes, and hold. Feel that squeeze, that strength returning. Then lower slowly, because the lowering motion is where the real magic happens. Slow and controlled. 2 sets of 12. Don't rush. Don't force. Just rise, hold, lower, breathe. With each repetition, your legs reclaim power you thought you lost. Your body remembers how to move. Your muscles remember how to support you. Now comes the third movement, sit to stand. One of the most meaningful indicators of independence is how easily you can stand from a chair. If you can do 10 sit-to-stands, research shows your walking ability skyrockets. Start by sitting at the edge of your chair, feet flat, arms crossed, back straight. Lean forward slightly and stand, smooth, steady, strong. Then sit back slowly, controlled, not dropping into the chair. 10 repetitions. And with each one, your legs grow stronger, your hips stabilize, and your confidence rises. This movement alone has restored independence to thousands of seniors. Because when you strengthen the muscles that lift your body, everything becomes easier. Stairs, walking, balance, even daily chores. Then comes exercise 4, standing hip abduction. Stand tall next to your chair. Lift your leg to the side, not high, just controlled. Feel the outer part of your hip working. These muscles, your hip abductors, are your built-in bodyguards. They protect your knees, stabilize your hips, and keep you walking in a straight line instead of wobbling. 12 repetitions per side. These muscles weaken faster than almost any group after age 60, but they also strengthen faster when you activate them correctly. This one movement can dramatically reduce falls, improve balance, and give you the sideways stability you didn't even know you were missing. Finally, the fifth exercise, single leg standing. This is the ultimate test of real-world balance. Stand beside your chair, lift one foot slightly off the ground, and hold for 10 seconds. This may feel simple, but it trains the deep stabilizer muscles that keep you upright. If you can hold for 10 seconds, you're building the foundation of lifelong mobility. 3 repetitions each side. Small shakes are normal. Those tiny adjustments are your muscles learning how to protect you again. That's your stability returning. That's your confidence rebuilding. Now here is the magic. These 5 exercises work like links in a chain. One strengthens your ankle, one strengthens your calves, one strengthens your legs, one strengthens your hips, and one strengthens your balance. When these links reconnect, walking becomes easier, smoother, and pain-free. This is how aging adults reclaim their independence. Not through long workouts, not through hours of stretching, but through 5 minutes of intentional movement. Imagine this as your new daily routine. Ankle pumps while sitting at the edge of your bed in the morning, calf raises while brushing your teeth, sit to stands before lunch, hip abductions while watching TV, single leg standing while waiting for the microwave. Simple, natural, built into life, no excuses, no pressure. Just 5 minutes that protect your future mobility, because every repetition, every hold, every slow controlled movement is a message to your body saying, I'm not done, I'm rebuilding, I'm taking back my strength, and your body listens. As the days pass, you'll notice changes. Your morning stiffness fades faster, your steps feel lighter, your balance feels steadier. You stand taller without realizing it. You walk without thinking about pain. Those tiny improvements are not accidents. They are proof of your effort, proof of your commitment, proof that no matter your age, you can choose strength, you can choose stability, you can choose movement, you can choose life. And when you choose those things consistently, you become unstoppable. The secret to lasting mobility is not perfection, it's consistency. 4 to 5 days a week, just 5 minutes. You're not training for a marathon, you're training for your freedom. You're training to move without fear. You're training to stay independent. And that is the most powerful gift you can give your future self. So here's my challenge for you. Choose just one of the 5 exercises and do it every day this week. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Start small, build the habit, then add another exercise next week. Bit by bit, step by step, you rebuild the strength that age tried to take from you. And every time you do this, you're not just exercising, you're investing in a stronger, steadier, pain-free tomorrow. You deserve to walk without fear. You deserve to move without pain. You deserve to live with confidence, balance, and freedom. And the journey starts with 5 minutes. 5 minutes that can change the next 20 years of your life. Your future self is watching you. Give them a life they'll thank you for. If this message helped you, hit that like button and comment which exercise you're starting with today. And if you want more simple, science-backed routines made for strong, active, independent living after 60, subscribe to the Seniors Hub. Your journey is just beginning.